So I'm relaxing here by this diversion of the stream where the kids are playing in the water. Currently got my feet in. Feels really nice. You can hear the bugs chirping in the background. And it's just, like I said, just kind of nice. The water's not too hot, not too cold. Right at that perfect temperature. Turning out to be a really nice day at a really nice park. But about to continue on. I want to see the main body of the river, so I'm going to walk in that direction. Unfortunately, this person is going to walk by this crane. I was hoping to get a good photo of it. I'm sure it'll spook and fly away when they get close to it. I'm going to cross the river. Hopefully I won't fall down and get all wet. I've got a microphone mod on my GoPro, and it would be a real shame if I did fall in. Oh! This side's a little deeper than the other side where the kids are playing. The strength seems about the same. It was okay walking across the first time. I managed to not get soaked. Like if it was just a tiny bit stronger, that would be hard to cross. Oh. Let's go see if we can find that bird. Oh, he left. Bugger. Oh, there he is. Yeah, it looks like I managed to stay somewhat dry. I don't think I'd be able to walk across this one. Seems like a lot more flow going through. Let's see how close we can get to the bird before he spooks. That looks like the same bird that was on top of that little shack, whatever it was. Looks like he's looking for food. Oh, he dropped into the diversion. Let's see if we can catch him. Not catch him, but at least catch a video of him. I'm not going to mess with any animals. Oh, I might get a good video. He's sitting here eyeballing the water. Probably wondering what the hell I'm doing. Maybe if he stays still, he'll go back to hunting or whatever he's doing. Doesn't appear as though he's interested in the water. Looking everywhere but what it's in the water. I would have thought he'd be looking for some fish snacks. Maybe he just doesn't like the fact that I'm too close to him and up above his eye level. Might think I'm a predator. So, let's continue on. God, I really love Japan. I just asked the parents of the kids that were playing in the stream where a good place to have lunch is, and they recommended some things. They even offered to drive me there, which was really nice. And they wouldn't take no for an answer. They insisted on giving me a cool beverage because it is kind of warm, and you probably saw I was sweating kind of profusely. This is neat. They got this kind of pavilion set up like a boat. Seemed like a good place to stop and crack this drink open and give it a shot. Let's give her a taste and see what happens. Set the tripod up. Let's see. Oh, please don't fall over. Oh. Give this a try. I've had the drink form of this before. It's called lychee salt. But this is some sort of a jelly consistency. Nope, it's not the jelly type. It's just in a little bag. So I've definitely had this before. It's kind of like a sports drink of sorts. There's some salt in there for electrolytes, and some sugars for the carbohydrates and energy. It's actually quite good. But let's keep going. Ugh. All this walking is working up a sweat. Hopefully I'm not absolutely soaked with sweat when it comes time to hit the restaurant, but we're going to continue to walk down this canal until it merges with the main river. It didn't seem too far away on the map, but maps have a way of being deceiving. Well, I couldn't find a tunnel to that river, and I think without a car it might be kind of difficult. Looked like you'd have to go upstream by the bridge and come down that way. I asked a couple kids that were fishing on the pond side, and they said they had no idea how to get across. And if a couple young teenage boys don't know how to do it, then my old self is gonna stay away from there. So I'm gonna call it quits on this park, start walking toward the lunch spot that the family recommended to me, and I'll restart a video once I get close to there. It's hot. I'm coated in sweat. I'm getting close to that restaurant that family recommended. The walk back was considerably harder than the walk there. And that nice lady that gave me that drink just might have saved my life. I am really, really hot right now and getting on dehydration. Excuse me, I gotta do this. I love these vending machines. They're absolutely everywhere. Well, not everywhere, but lots of places. And they sell this food. And, you know, if I had some place to cook it, little baby riding a chicken. That's a massive chicken or a small baby. This one looks like it's selling shorompo, which are like soup dumplings. Looks good. I'm gonna take a photo for my album. I've got a whole page on my Facebook specifically to take a photo, bunny. Yeah, I've got a Facebook album just for random vending machines that I've come across in Japan. Anyways, getting close to the restaurant, and now this is kind of a historical district. I don't know what we're going to find in here. If anything, looks like an old shopping district. Got some coverage to keep you out of the rain and the heat. The temperature is noticeably cooler in here. But unless I see something cool, I'm gonna cut the video and keep walking. So we're really close to the restaurant, and this whole area just got a lot cooler all of a sudden. It switched to a whole bunch of old Japanese style architecture with some storefronts and whatnot, and our destination is just up here on the right, I guess. There's a temple or something around here, and we might check that out after lunch, as well as something else that I saw. Okay, so this is the lunch spot that was recommended. And from the looks of it, we got some different shaved ices with fruits, and then some sort of a curry, which I'm okay with. It's not exactly what I thought I was getting into, but let's go. We gotta wait for them to call my name and we'll be inside.